Hi guys, in this video I'm changing the 12-volt battery on my 2014 Corolla. All you need for this is some dielectric tune-up grease and a 10mm wrench. And the tune-up grease is optional, but I'd recommend it because it prevents corrosion. So first I'm going to disconnect the negative cable. I'll just unscrew this here, pull it out, and then disconnect the positive. And just pull it up and push it out of the way. And now I have these two screws here, and I'll unscrew this one. And once you have this out, just put it aside. And now we just need to unscrew this one a little bit, and I can just do that by hand here. And at the bottom of this is a hook, but I can just push this away. And now I can pull my battery out. Okay, so I'm just gonna lift it out. And just be careful once you get it out, because there's a little notch here in the plastic tray and a drain pipe here, and that should stay in there when you put the new battery. Make sure it doesn't shift. And I'm just taking the new battery now. Just push it in there. I'm going to connect the positive, but first I'm going to put some tune-up grease. Okay, so just dab some tune-up grease on the terminals. Now that I put the tune-up grease, I'm going to connect the battery terminals. I'm going to start with the positive first and just slip it on top. And then I'm going to tighten this. And the trick to this is that you shouldn't tighten it too hard. Just tighten it enough so the connector doesn't move. So if you try to move it by hand like this, it's very nice and tight. So that's good. And if you tighten it too much, then you'll close all the space in here. And next time you change the battery, the terminal will need to be replaced. Now I'm going to connect the negative. And I'll do the same thing. Just tighten it enough so the connector doesn't move. And that's really tight in there. Just tighten it a bit more. And then I'm going to try to get it underneath. Okay, so I got that. And then just line it up here. You can tighten this by hand. I'll get my bolt. And just tighten this pretty snug, and then I'll just also tighten this a little bit. Okay, and then just give the battery a test, try to move it. You can see it doesn't move. And that's how to change the battery on a 2014 Corolla. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.